W20 CNC Controller 3 Introduction to the Editing Interface. First, let's take a look at the program interface. Program Editor, Graphical Simulation, Display Switching, Counting Target, Clear Accumulated, Channel Activation. Starting with Graphical Simulation. Graphic simulation has several channels, and different channels have different programs. Select the target channel, choose Select Zoom, then click Zoom out. Moderate indicates that the program is running, and you can now see its processing rate. The display switch mainly depends on its load value. Counting target. Enter the quantity of products you want to process. For example, 1,000 pieces. There will be a prompt here. When the production quantity reaches 1,000 pieces, it will automatically shut down, and you can clear the accumulated. Channel activation. This is a 6-channel CNC lathe. If you do not need a particular channel or are concerned about accidental operation, you can choose to turn it off. Press the corresponding button. Program Editor. Load and execute. Use the editor program and execute it. You can also see that the corresponding program is running. Delete line. Select Copy, Paste, Previous channel, Next channel, Switch channel. Document Management. Document management also includes subroutine management, such as select a program, here select 10. Then press Load Edit. It will enter the editing screen. Then you can edit the program in the operation buttons next to it. And when you are done, click on Load and Execute to start the program. Where the program to be executed is the program in Load for execution. Document Management. For example, use the 10 program to create a new program name, here 1010. But the content of the program has not changed. It is still the content of the program 10. But you can take the program in 1010 and modify it to fit the production of your product. New document refers to a new program number. For example, create a new program number called HHH. The newly created program number means that this is an empty program, empty file that needs to be edited by yourself. File transfer. This is a flash drive type file. Toggle. Here are the system files, i.e. the files that come with the machine. For example, if you want to copy the files that come with the machine to the file side of the USB drive, select the Enter button. The relative code is preceded by, then press Transfer. The code was then successfully copied over. If you want to copy a file from a USB flash drive to a file that came with the machine, do the same thing. Subprogram Management. It means that it contains a separate applet. Likewise, it can be edited and managed. New subroutine creation and subroutine editing. Save.